Imagine looking up at the night sky, seeing thousands of twinkling stars, each with its own story of creation. But how do these brilliant beacons of light come into existence? What mysterious forces in the universe lead to the birth of a star? Welcome to Zane Facts Channel, where we delve deep into the cosmos to uncover the fascinating processes that shape our universe. In today's journey, we'll explore the incredible story of star formation, packed with mind-blowing facts and explanations that will leave you starstruck. The birthplace, stellar nurseries. Interesting fact 1. The cosmic cradle. Molecular clouds, often referred to as stellar nurseries, are immense cold regions in space where stars are born. These clouds can span several light years, containing enough material to create thousands of stars. A fascinating fact is that these clouds are so dense that if you could scoop up a teaspoon of material from them, it would weigh as much as a large truck on Earth. It's in these cosmic cradles that the first steps of star formation take place. Interesting fact 2, triggering star formation. Star formation often begins with a cosmic event like a nearby supernova, a massive star exploding at the end of its life. The shock waves from such an explosion compress the gas and dust in the molecular cloud, sparking the process of starbirth. Imagine the force of an exploding star causing ripples in space, squeezing the raw material needed to ignite new stars. It's a powerful reminder of how interconnected cosmic events can be. Gravity and the protostar, the power of attraction. Interesting fact 3, the spin of a new star. As gravity pulls material inwards, the collapsing cloud begins to spin, forming what is known as a protostellar disk. This spinning motion is crucial as it helps conserve angular momentum, leading to the flattening of the material into a disk. In the center of this disk, a protostar forms, heating up as more material falls onto it. The incredible fact here is that the temperature in the core of a protostar can reach millions of degrees, hot enough to initiate nuclear fusion, the process that powers a star. Interesting fact 4, from protostar to star. When nuclear fusion kicks off, a star is born. This fusion process, where hydrogen atoms collide to form helium, releases vast amounts of energy. The energy produced by just 1 teaspoon of star material could power our entire planet for millions of years. This shows the sheer power and efficiency of nuclear fusion, which allows stars to shine brightly for billions of years. The role of nuclear fusion, a stellar powerhouse. Interesting fact 5, the power of a star's core. The core of a star is where the real magic happens. Nuclear fusion in the core of a star is so efficient that the energy produced by it could light up entire galaxies. The Sun, for example, fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second, releasing the energy that lights and warms our planet. The fact that stars can sustain such reactions for billions of years is a testament to the incredible forces at play in the universe. Interesting fact 6, the lifespan of stars. The mass of a star determines its lifespan. Massive stars, which burn through their fuel quickly, might live only a few million years before exploding as supernovae. In contrast, smaller stars like our Sun can last for billions of years. This means that somewhere in the universe there could be stars that are nearly as old as the universe itself, quietly burning away in the vastness of space. Star clusters, the galactic families. Interesting fact, the birth of star clusters. Stars often form in clusters with hundreds or even thousands of stars being born from the same molecular cloud. These clusters, held together by gravity, can include stars of different ages, sizes, and colors. One of the most amazing facts about star clusters is that some can contain multiple generations of stars. New stars form from the remnants of older ones, creating a cosmic family tree that spans millions of years. Interesting fact, stellar migration. Over time, some stars in a cluster may drift away, becoming solitary wanderers in the galaxy, while others remain together, shining brightly in the night sky. This process of stellar migration means that many of the stars we see in the night sky today may have once been part of a cluster, but are now traveling alone through the cosmos. The life cycle of stars, from birth to supernova. Interesting fact, the spectacular death of stars. The end of a star's life can be as dramatic as its birth. When a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it may explode as a supernova. This explosion is so powerful that it can outshine an entire galaxy for a short period. In just a few seconds, a supernova can release more energy than our sun will emit over its entire 10 billion year lifespan. The remnants of these explosions scatter elements throughout space, seeding new star formation and contributing to the cycle of cosmic evolution. Interesting fact, the birth of new stars from supernovae. The elements produced in a supernova explosion, such as carbon, oxygen, and iron, are crucial for the formation of new stars and planets. In fact, the very atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars that lived and died billions of years ago. This means that we are literally made of star stuff, a direct connection to the stars that continue to form in the universe. Star formation in action, the Eagle Nebula's pillars of creation. Interesting fact, the iconic pillars of creation. One of the most famous star-forming regions in our galaxy is the Eagle Nebula, home to the iconic pillars of creation. These towering columns of gas and dust are where new stars are being born. The Hubble Space Telescope's images of this region have captivated astronomers and the public alike, offering a glimpse into the dynamic and ongoing process of star formation. What makes the pillars of creation so captivating is not just their beauty, but also their significance in understanding the cosmos. Interesting fact, a cosmic light show. The light from newly formed stars in regions like the pillars of creation illuminates the surrounding gas, creating a cosmic light show that has been playing out for millions of years. This light reveals the intricate structures within the gas and dust, allowing astronomers to study the processes of star formation in incredible detail. Conclusion: the cosmic dance of creation. Star formation is a process that not only illuminates the universe but also connects us to the cosmos in a profound way. From the quiet, cold, molecular clouds where stars are born to the fiery supernovae that mark their end, the life cycle of stars is a testament to the dynamic nature of the universe. As we study star formation, we uncover the secrets of the cosmos, learning about our origins and our place in the vast, mysterious, and beautiful universe we call home. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey at Zane Facts channel. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible process of star formation. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of the universe.